Hola, hola, hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and for those who are new, hola y bienvenidos. Yo soy Alison, and for today's video I am going to be finally trying for the first time a hair drying brush. So if you enjoy this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already, join the Ali family by subscribing to my channel and make sure to hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's just begin. Okay guys, so for today's hair drying brush, I am going to be testing this one for the first time, and this is the Revlon one. And yeah, so it's a pretty lightweighted hairbrush, and right here it has 3 settings. It says the off one, and then it has cool, low, and high. And yeah, so right now you can see my hair is wet. It's not soaking wet, but it's still wet, and I'm going to be using my Olaplex number 7. This thing is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna put this into my hair, and then I'm going to begin drying and styling my hair and see how this will go. So right now I am using it on the high setting, and I decided to clip my hair right here, you know, to get better in there. So I am done right now. My hair feels good, and it dried out very quickly. So you can see I have a little bit of feel like my hair, it's a little bit like volume. It has a little bit of a curve, or I don't know the word for that, right here. Actually, it looks decent. So I'm very pleased with this dryer, and my hair is wavy. My hair is not flat. So for the results I can see right here, this is pretty good. So yeah, this is my hair, my results for today. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye.